In one country, the importance of having a sufficient fleet of warplanes to shore up the strength of the Air Force and protect the country's sovereignty, and as long as this has been felt right by the Ukrainian military, during the invasion from Russia has been met with fierce attacks from Moscow's forces. In order to win in the face of Russian forces, the Ukrainian Air Force urgently needs F-16 Fighting Falcon fighters instead of MiG-29 Fulcrum. MiG-29 fighters are good, but in order to keep up with more advanced Russian fighter jets, Ukraine urgently needs F-16 fighter jets. Hello everyone. Welcome back with us at Military Report today. Here is the advanced fighter jet F-16. Reportedly in the near future F-16 will soon be used by the Ukrainian Air Force to confront Russia. Really, what is the greatness of the US fighter jet? Let's look at the following brief review. According to information, the US will send F-16 fighter jets to Ukraine. This has been a hot issue lately. The question is whether these fighter jets are useful to Ukraine, and whether the F-16 can succeed against Russia's best fighter jets such as the Su-35. During the Russian invasion, from the side of the battlefield that has been taking place inside Ukraine's sovereign territory, the Ukrainian armed forces are somewhat more controlled and stronger, where they can master tactics and strategies to hide and attack the enemy, or trap Russian troops into target points and then destroyed. The advantage of using this F-16 fighter jet is to improve the capabilities of the Ukrainian Air Force, in the face of various advanced weapons from Russia, by using various US-made defense systems as the main protection for combat forces. The United States will always be behind to protect Ukraine's sovereignty, and what is needed now. The US also knows the right strategy for providing assistance to Ukraine, and how to deal with Russia in its invasion of Ukraine, which is still ongoing today. As we know, this F-16 fighter jet has a stronger long-range strike capability. If the Ukrainian army is equipped with such weapons, it will definitely bring greater trouble from the Russian military, and at the same time will increase the continuous conflict of the two countries. The F-16 is a fourth-generation fighter. It can last a long time against the Su-35 and MiG-31, but the Russian military cannot underestimate the capabilities of the F-16, and it was acknowledged by a Russian pilot captain who once said that the F-16 could pose a tough challenge to Russia's flagship Su-35 and MiG-31. The F-16 fighter jets will represent a significant capability upgrade over Ukraine's existing Air Force. Previously, the US had provided the Ukrainian Air Force with an AGM-88 HARM air-to-surface anti-radiation missile, which could be used against surface-to-air missile sites, and it would also be an important weapon for F-16 fighter jets. On the other hand, the latest Viper variant of the F-16 fighter jet can detect the Su-35 from a distance of only about 115 kilometers, using the APG-83 AESA radar. So clearly, the Flanker E has an advantage in radar detection, an important prerequisite for success in combat beyond visual range. The F-16 is designed as a platform that allows easier modification for the future. One of the new, very little known technologies, the F-16 has a stealth compartment. Designed by engineers from Lockheed Martin, to hide avionics technology from enemy eyes, the inside of the cockpit glass of the F-16 fighter jet is coated with a thin layer of gold, which is able to hide radiation from the instruments in the cockpit from radar. This F-16 is a very serious weapon with the ability to match what Russia has.